India is the land of heritage, culture and art. One of its indigenous art form is the Dhokra style of metallurgy, which originated with the Dhokra tribes of West Bengal and Odisha. Some 4,500 years ago, a metal sculptor in Mohenjo-daro created the iconic statue of the dancing girl using lost wax technique. This metal casting tradition has been kept alive in a small village named Kondajain in the Bastar region of Chhattisgarh. The steaming hot atmosphere in the community of the Dhokra artisans of Bastar is a captivating sight. Amidst the heat, the artisans skillfully handle the intricate wax sculptures, their nimble fingers gently shaping and refining the details. The rhythmic sounds of tools striking metal fill the workshop, accompanied by the occasional clinking and clanking of the moulds and implements. The artisans first create a clay core roughly in the shape of the final sculpture, which is then covered by a layer composed of pure beeswax, tree raisins and oil. The wax is applied in an even layer, and thin strips of it are used to decorate in fine detail. The quality of wax detailing ascertains the excellence of the final product. The finished piece is covered with layers of clay, sourced from termite mounds, which withstand high heat. This layer acts as a mold for the metal to be poured inside. The piece is then baked in a special furnace under extremely high temperatures. Drain ducts are left in the outward layer for the wax to fall out. The wax melts away, leaving a cavity into which hot molten metal is poured. Dhokra artisans of Bastar use scrap metal, with lustrous brass scrap as the largest component. The liquid metal hardens in the space between the clay core and inner surface of the mold, replacing the melted wax, taking the exact same shape. The mold is then allowed to cool and the outer layer of clay is chipped off. The Dhokra product is polished, scraped and finished manually.